Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how you can change name servers of domain name in Godaddy. Let's get right into it. Log in into your Godaddy account in which you have purchased domain name. After logging in, scroll down to All Products and Services option. Now find your domain name and click on the DNS option. In my case, my domain name is domaintutorial.xyz. I will click on the DNS button. You can see all the DNS records has been listed. However, we want to look for option name servers. Scroll down a bit and you will find it. You can see here is the name servers option. Click on change button. Now click on enter my own name servers option. You will now get two boxes to enter your hosting name servers. You can get your name servers from your hosting provider. In my case, I already have it, so I will enter it and I will save the setting. I will copy my name servers from my hosting provider. In my case, nh21.dnsflog.com is my first name server and nh22.dnsflog.com is my second name server. I will copy the first one and then the second one. Once you have entered your name servers, click on save. You will now get a warning which you need to approve so that your name servers are updated. I will simply check it and click on continue. As you can see, we have got a success message. Now let's reload our page and check if the name servers have been changed. As you can see, we have our value of nh21.dnsflog.com and nh22.dnsflog.com, which means we have successfully changed our name servers. Now we need to wait for up to 48 hours so that name servers are updated globally. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. That's all for today and happy hosting.